Okay, in this RadarOpus tutorial, I'm quickly going to show you how to find remedy information related to keynotes. I'm going to show you how to find materia medica information within a specific book for a particular remedy. And then I'm going to show you how to search in a group of books that you want to pre-select for a particular remedy so that you don't have to go through an entire database when you search for a remedy. So first of all, to read keynotes about any remedy in Radar. Very simple. The first way in the repertory window, this is how Radar opens. So all you need to do is just move your mouse pointer over, if you can see the abbreviation of the remedy here. All you do is you move over to one of those remedies, you double click on the remedy abbreviation, and it will open up the keynotes information for you. Now this is called Radar Keynotes, and it's compiled from a different group or from a variation of materia medicas. And it's compiled by Eric van Woenselen. So let's say that you want to find a different remedy which is not displayed in this repertory window. Naturally, you would need to then go and search for the remedy. All right, so this is how you do it. You move your mouse pointer over to the remedies button in the toolbar, you click on it, you will see that the cursor flashes automatically in the search window. All you do is, let's use pulsatilla, you type PULS, you get to the abbreviation that you want, you either click on the remedy name or you hit enter on the keyboard, and it gives you the keynote information once again. All right? Now, let's say that you want to find a remedy within a particular book. You don't want to read the Radar keynotes. All right? So we're going to do the example that you want to find pulsatilla in the book called The Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by John Henry Clarke. The way that you can do that is very simple. All you need to do is go over to the References button, click on References, and then you type the first couple of letters of the abbreviation of the surname. So this will be Clarke, C-L-A-R-K. There you can see all Clarke's books listed. There we go, Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica. You click on the book to open it. You can see the book displayed on the right-hand side. Now there's a keyboard shortcut that you can type to quickly search within this book only. And that keyboard shortcut on a Mac like I'm working would be the Command button and F, or on a Windows computer it would be the Control button and F. So I'm going to type Command and F. As you can see, it opens up a little find button, a find window. In there I'm going to type pulsatilla pratensis, hit the enter key, and there we go. I'm at pulsatilla in the book John Henry Clarke's Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica. I can scroll down, I can read the materia medica about pulsatilla, etc. So it's very simple. First thing you do, let's just refresh the book list. You click on References, type the first few letters of the book that you're looking for, the first few letters of the surname, click to open the book, Control and F or Command and F, pulsatilla pratensis, hit enter, and there you go. All right, now just careful that you do not use the incorrect spelling or that you don't use a complete name, because this is a specific word search within that book. So you need to use the full name of the remedy. Just to show you what I mean, if we clear this, we do it again, and I just type pulsatilla. Oops, let me just get to the end of this word. We delete the whole one. Let's just type pulsatilla so that you can see what happens. There we go. Now I'm going through a couple of other remedies. All right, I'm in antimonium crudum, but there pulsatilla is mentioned in antimonium crudum, you see. There we are in calcarea carbonica, graphites, hyposulfur, calcium sulfuricum, and there we go, pulsatilla. So you can easily navigate through the results just with these buttons there. All right, but if you use the full name, you are going to get there much quicker. So we can clear that search. Let's close the book. And the last part of this search was how to find or how to limit your searching within a group of books. So let's say, for example, you like to reference your materia medica when you do case analysis and you want to go and read about remedies just to confirm the remedy that you want to prescribe. Let's say that you prefer working in a handful of books, like you like to read from Burricher, you like to read from Clarke's dictionary, and you like to read from Vermeulen's books, and let's say Vitulka's books. All right, so all you need to do is again make sure that you are in the references. Then you simply type the first letter, Boereke, B-O-E, select it, backspace, or click on that button to refresh the list again, type C-L-A-R-K for Clark, click the button, or click the selection box. Let's backspace that, and we wanted Vermeulen. Let's select all 4 of them, just to make things interesting. We backspace that, and we wanted Vitulkas. There we go, materia, medica, viva. All right, let's refresh the list. There you can see that box is selected, and all of them are selected that I wanted. All right. Now, I can save these selected volumes or these selected reference books to what is called a mix. So all you do is you go to File and you say Select or save the selection as a document mix. You can give it a name. Let's say Test Mix. And I'm going to save this to my desktop just to make things easy for this one. And we click Save. All right, now to show you how this works, let's again go and do a remedy search. We click on remedies, we search for pulsatilla again. We hit the Enter key, and we are displayed the keynotes for pulsatilla. Now, to limit the search to that group of books that I've selected, that mixture, all right? Now remember, they are still selected, okay? So I can go back to the search or to the keynote information, and I can just simply click on this button that will open up the drop list for me, and I select on the current document mix. And bam, there you go, the results are limited to the books that I selected. All right, there's another way to do this in that, let's just clear the search and we close all these windows so that we can start from fresh. So there's another way that I can do this. Okay, I'm going to unselect all of these books, and I do that by right-clicking and then say unselect all titles. Now, remember I saved this group of books to a mix. I can now recall that mix every time that I load RadarOpus. So let's say the program has just launched and I want to go and read about remedies. I click on remedies, I type in pulsatilla, I hit enter, I get this window, I click on search for this remedy in, and I get a different document mix, and I load my mixture from wherever I saved it. Click on open, and there again, once again, my results are limited to those books. So it's very simple to limit your remedy searches to a particular group of books. It's very simple to find a keynote information about a remedy very quickly, either from the repertory window or by using the list of remedies to search from. And it's also very easy to find a specific remedy within a specific book, just by doing a quick word search or a quick remedy search in that book. So there you have it. A couple of quick ways and a couple of quick tips to easily find remedy information in Radar related to Radar keynotes and related to materia medica. I hope you found it helpful, and check out our other tips as they become available. Thank you.